Milestone Mafia, I think you know what time it is.
Fans, teammates, coaches, friends, the show has just begun.
All right, before we crank this up, I want to get this out the way. This is a Falcons colorway. Miss me with the 49ers nonsense, please and thank you.
Now, give me my theme music.
Turn my swag on. Take a leg in the mirror. Ready for more. Ready for new. Like a straight up soul. Ready to move the oldest drum and pop a new bag and it's just another thing, you know that it's new.
Brand new day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
You gotta look good, you play good, pay good, pay good, live good, you know, eat good.
And as always, magnificently humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears vibing to what we got going on today, which is a special one. Well, special to me at least, and if you hear, you probably thinking the same thing I'm thinking. So, as you saw in the thumbnail and description, we're gonna go over the Nike Air Diamond Turf Atlanta in the reservoir. And it did not come easy. This release brought all the OGs out and some of the new kids on the block. Sold out in seconds, and I gotta be honest, man, I really didn't think they were gonna fly like that. I mean, I knew they were gonna sell out, but I mean, y'all was acting like this was a bottle of water in the middle of the desert or something like that, you know what I'm saying? So these released last week, and I'm outside in the cold standing in line, only to find out that all of my sizes are sold out. And that's in like 3 stores. I took like the whole tour of Atlanta trying to find these, and it was a no-go. Then I get to looking at the resale prices.
I would ask for so much money that I had to put me on layaway.
But I ended up striking a fair deal on eBay, and Buddy got them out quick. And here we have them. An 8th grader at Salem Middle School's dream. Yeah, that leather in the toe box is super soft, man. It's giving super comfortable. And this gold window right here, man, is really just the thing that sets it off. You got your signature Nike Air on the back in gold. Yeah, outsoles is crazy too. And when you put these on, these go strapless. That's law. Y'all, we got the original Diamond Turf logo on the tongue. Yes, sir. Which is, as you can see, a field goal post, and the home plate got the 24 and 21 for Deion's numbers on both sports. Man, come on, y'all. Man, these so fire. And I do got an on-foot look a little bit later in the video, so y'all stick around for that. All right, so what's up with this shoe? Come on, it's either you remember watching Prime Time growing up, or you seen the highlights on YouTube. Two-sport athlete, absolute legend, only in conversation with Bo Jackson, which, by the way, these are my favorite sneakers of all time. As much as I wanted these when I was a kid, though, I'm telling you, this is like, you know, definitely on the Mount Rushmore. Prime showed up to the draft and let you know what time he was on immediately.
Just let your soul go. Just let it shine through.
How you play a football game and then get on a plane and helicopter and fly to a playoff baseball game in the same day? Yeah, Prime Time is him. Whether it's him being an athlete, sportscaster, motivational speaker, coach, whatever it is, you know, he gonna seek to be the best at it and do it with style.
I practiced like I played, so when I played, it would be practice.
And this is real talk, and it goes like right into why I call us the Milestone Mafia. Let me break that down to you to make sure that we all on the same page here. All right, so you know, according to my YouTube analytics, you know, this video is going to get about 400, maybe 600 views, and that's 400 to 600 individuals who have their own thing that they want to accomplish in their life. Yeah, I know we at this video right now because, you know what I'm saying, we like sneakers, but you know, sneakerheads, we not a monolith. Like, yeah, we like to get fly, but that's not who we are. That's just how we show up. You feel me? We all got dreams, we all got plans, we all got motion. Me, I told y'all my commitment is to get better and better from video to video until I'm known as the best to do this, right? Whatever it is that you're trying to get done, I know you feel that same sentiment and you work in the same way. And as we striving along, celebrating our wins, hitting each milestone, as you were already told.
If you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you perform good. If you perform good, what comes next? They pay good. See, you thought that quote was all about sports. It's not. That quote is about you.
So if you with that, that's why we riding together from upload to upload. I mean, if not,
You be you. I'm not planning to make you feel good about me. I already feel good about me. I'm good.
but if so, you can become a friend of mine by liking the video and dropping your thoughts down in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking. Now, whether it be about the shoes, your goals, you don't like the sound of my voice, you're an absolute hater, whatever it is, man, drop it down there, man. Let's chop it up. And of course, you could become a friend of ours by subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. What we got next up? I mean, we'll see. Black Metallic 5s is out this week. Shit. The following week after that, we got an Impossible Cop, which is probably not coming home. But the week after that, we got the Galaxy phones, and those are by any means necessary, so we definitely gonna see those. In the meantime, I got some more shorts in mind, so y'all keep an eye out for some more put me ons, some more elevator pitches, some more mail calls, some more everything. Just be on the lookout. Follow me on Instagram too if you want to see what's up as well. But other than that, I want you to remain blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
This is my house. I built this, and this is my house. Now let's continue.
Sometimes you got to know what you know. They're going to call it cockiness. They're going to call it arrogance. But you're going to call it confidence. Because I don't want my confidence to, I'm going to say something and I want you to hold on to it. All right? Get your cameras ready because this is game. Do not allow my confidence to offend your insecurity. If I could get up and dance, I would dance right now. If I could get up and shout, I would shout right now. Do not allow my confidence to offend your insecurity because I dress like I dress because I'm confident. I look like I look because he's confident. We walk like we walk because we're confident. I don't even use cologne. Now, somebody asked me, what is that you're wearing? I say, confidence. It's my natural odor. It's my natural odor. I don't have to use Dolce or whatever it is. It's my natural odor.
Come on, coach, let's do it. Because if you look good, you feel good.